Hey guys, it's Miss Rachel here. So today I'm going to explain to you how to submit your work to your teacher. Now, this could be work that as simple as something you've done each day, or it could be one of your tests or something that we need to grade. It's going to be all in one spot now. So that means that mom no more has to text it to your teacher. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit easier for us all. So we're going to go through the steps on how to get there. The first thing is you need to log into your email, which is located on the Primary Assembly page, and the email is right next to Buzz. You should know where that is. So I click on my email, and I'm going to log into my email. Now, the first step is for mom to send you an email with the pictures of your work. So I've sent an email right here, and here is the work. Once mom sends it, you're going to open the email. Underneath each picture, you're going to go and find this little picture right here and click Add to Drive. So I click it, and it tells me that it's been added to the drive. I could have 5 pictures I'm adding. I can do one at a time, whatever is easier for you. Okay, once I've added it to my drive, then here comes the easy part. You're going to go to your work submission folder, which is an email from Miss Jamie Russell. Okay, you're going to open up the file by clicking on it. Then open up week 2 because that's what we're on right now. So open up the work. Now, the very first one is the Lesson 4 Teacher Guided Grade. I know that you've got this done. So, in order to put the work on this page so that Miss Rachel can see it, you're going to go to Insert, Image, from the drive. Remember, we saved those pictures to our drive. I click that. I click on the picture and click Insert. Voila! Picture on. Awesome job. Now, so you told me I could add more pictures. So if you've done some writing or you've done some other work and you want Miss Rachel to see it, you go down here to the last slide. You click Slide, New Slide. And guess what? You've got a blank slide until it's Insert, Image, from the drive again. And I'm going to insert another picture, and I can make it bigger. And now Miss Rachel can see other work. This way, Miss, it's all in one spot, and your teacher is able to see everything that you're doing in one spot. They can go back and give you feedback, but it's all in one spot. Mom doesn't have to worry about trying to text it to your teacher. It's all there together. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions on how to do this, make sure you contact your teacher and they'll be happy to help you. Have a great day, guys.